Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can rebirth in Plants vs. Brain Rot. So basically, this will be like my second rebirth. I think I have rebirthed once before. Basically, you're just going to go to the rebirth section, and I have all the requirements, and I'm just going to hit rebirth, and then press yes. My money will be lost, but I need the second rebirth here for the boss spawn, and I will also get another card slot here as well, as you can see. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.